Dreams are not myths, nor are they useless. They have been parts of our nights since our birth. We all dream, even people who say they don't. Dreams come in cycles of 4 to 6 times per night.
3 characteristics identify the dream. The first one is a sensorial isolation, putting all senses to sleep. We don't see, we don't hear anything. The second is an increased activation of the brain, which produces images, sensations, emotions. The third one is a muscular paralysis. We are blocked out and cannot move. The second function is really important for our intellect, improving memory. During the day, we take in a lot of information. So when we sleep and dream, there needs to be a cleanup. What's useless is erased from our short-term memory, and then what's useful to us is transferred into our long-term memory. The next day, if we have dreamt, we'll remember what we learned the night before.
Since we spend almost a third of our lifetimes in a sleep state, by age 75, most people have slept for 25 years, including 10 years in dream time.
The first thing to do? Create an affirmation, like, I remember my dreams better.